everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte we'll teach you the names of the different parts of the city in the Slovak language. Also, we'll show you some of the activities we usually do in these places. You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with the lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! We'll mention some of the places in the city as well as some of the activities in these places. We'll show you the activities in the non-conjugated form called infinitive. If you want to know how to conjugate it, take a look at this video to learn how to form the present tense. Let's begin with the shopping mall, called nákupné centrum, where we can go shopping, ísť nakupovať, visit shops, navštíviť obchody, meet with friends, stretnúť sa s kamarátmi, the hotel, in Slovak, hotel. There we can reserve a room, rezervovať izbu, sleep, spať, the square, námestie in Slovak. This is a place to have a walk, ísť na prechádzku, to sit down, sadnúť si. The same actions you can do in the park, in Slovak it has the same name, park. The museum, in Slovak, múzeum. In this place, it's possible to pozerať obrazy, to look at paintings, pozorovať sochy, to look at sculptures, pozerať výstavy, to look at exhibitions, the theater called divadlo. There we can watch a play, pozrieť si hru, the school, škola, and the university, univerzita. Here it is possible to study, študovať, learn, učiť sa, to teach, učiť. You can do the same in the library, in Slovak, knižnica. Here, in addition, you could read books, čítať knihy, borrow books, požičiavať knihy, the stop called zastávka. There are different types. Bus stop, autobusová zastávka. Tram stop, zastávka električky. Train stop, zastávka vlaku. Similarly, we can have the bus station, autobusová stanica, the train station, železničná stanica. In all of them, we can either buy a ticket, kúpiť si lístok, get on the tram, bus or train, nastúpiť do električky, do autobusu alebo do vlaku, get on the tram, bus or train, vystúpiť z električky, z autobusu alebo z vlaku, the hospital, in Slovak, nemocnica. Here it's possible to cure the illnesses, vyliečiť choroby. The bank, in Slovak, banka. Here we can open a bank account, otvoriť bankový účet, get a mortgage, získať hypotéku. The cemetery, called cintorín, the place to bury the dead, pochovať mŕtvych. The post office, pošta, in Slovak. This is the place to send, poslať, or receive, dostať. A letter, list, a package, balík. The market, trh. And the supermarket, which is called in the same way in Slovak, supermarket. In both places we can buy food, vegetables or fruit, kúpiť potraviny, zeleninu alebo ovocie. To pay, platiť. The stadium, štadión. We visit this place to watch a game, pozerať zápas. The cinema, kino. In this place we can watch a movie, pozerať film, but most importantly, to eat popcorn, jesť popcorn. The parking lot, in Slovak, parkovisko, where we park the car, zaparkovať auto. Airport, called letisko. Here it is possible to fly, lietať, to take off, vzlietnúť, and to land, Pristať. Now try to practice. Try to say in Slovak the following parts of the city: the bank, banka, the cinema, kino, the school, škola, train station, železničná stanica. Very well done! We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you are interested in learning the Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!